Working on working with animals. This lesson follows wildlife conservation, so it's better to do this after you've done the conservation one. Okay, so working with animals. Before you start looking at the tasks, do the quiz. Okay, there are 9 words, some new vocabulary from these exercises, and you need to match them to their definitions. Nice and easy, and useful. Good. Now let's look at the handout. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. So here is the handout. So at first we're going to listen to a program and answer these 3 questions. Yes? So what kind of program is it? Who is being interviewed? Wait. Sorry. And what is Aisha's attitude towards animals? So you see, these are very general, very simple questions. They're just for you to get the general idea of the listening text. Okay, so where can we find this text? Here, it's our lesson folder, working with animals, 1 minute, 56 seconds. So please, now download this audio, pause this video tutorial, listen to it once, if it's really difficult for you, twice, but once, and answer these 3 questions. Go. So you've listened to the program, so what are your answers? I hope your answer is a university podcast, a veterinary student, yeah, and that she likes them a lot. Okay, good. Now the second task B, we have here 5 questions. They are all about this program that you've just listened to. Again, some quite simple questions, and you need to answer them. So please listen to this audio again, maybe once, maybe twice, as many times as you need, and answer the questions. Here you go, pause this video tutorial and listen. Okay, so we are back again. So what does Aisha do? I hope your answer will be she's a 4-year veterinary student. Okay, good. Where is she from? A village. Where? Nizwa. It's Oman. Okay. Or you can village. It's not obligatory. Yeah, but Nizwa, Oman. One of them. You can just write Oman. It will be enough. Or Nizwa. It will be enough. Okay. What does she think about her future job? Does she's always wanted to be a vet? Yeah, she says, I've always wanted to be a vet. What did she do after her high school? She studied what? Zoology. Okay. At university in Muscat. Okay. So that's the full answer. If you just write it like this at university, it will be enough. Okay? And the last one, what did she do in her first job? She was we can write vet, yeah, vet assistant. Okay. And what did she do exactly? So, and helped with animals, cleaned them, fed them. Yeah. So try to give as full answer as possible. Okay. So here it is. So we've just finished working with our first audio, and we've done exercise A and exercise B. Now we are doing exercise C. This is for the second part of the program, that is This one, audio, 2 minutes 50 seconds. What we are doing here is we are practicing completing the notes. You will need this skill a lot when you start your faculty. So, these are the notes that a student took while listening to this program. You need to complete it. Okay? So, open the audio, listen to it. You can pause the audio to fill in the notes. Yeah, just work at the speed that is better for you. Okay, so pause this video tutorial. When you're finished, come back. Okay, so welcome back. So what's the specialization? Small animals, right? You can give an example. Cats and dogs, for example. Second one is big animals, right? Okay, you can give an example. She said camels and horses, right? Yeah, horses. And exotic animals, for example, snakes. Yeah, I hope you agree with me. So here we've got first and second year. They start the basic sciences. And you, again, if you remember, you can write chemistry. Yeah, what else? Anatomy, biology. Yeah. In the third year, what do you have? I have lab work. Yeah, laboratory work. Yeah, laboratory work. And the last one, they work with vets, veterinarians. That's why vet is easier. Next one, emergencies. For example, can you imagine chocolate can poison? Yeah. And the second is bites. Or you can write snake bites. So, if you want to become a vet student, think carefully about it. Yeah. And also try working. Yeah, for example, in an animal shelter. Okay, so I hope these are your notes. Okay, and now when you look at these notes, it will be much easier for you to answer these 5 questions. Okay, so without even listening again, look at your notes. Can you already answer them? If not, then go back again to the second part of the program and answer. Okay, so pause the tutorial here. Welcome back. So, could you answer the first question? Yeah, what does she specialize in? Second, yes, small animals, right? Okay. Why was it difficult? She had a lot of material, yeah, to study in a short period of time. Again, this is a full answer. This is the best answer. If you have just like this will be enough. What is doing at her work now? Okay, so she's working in a vet clinic, right? Okay, you can also write that she's helping, examining, diagnosing and treating sick animals. Okay, so that's the full good answer. Next one, what kind of bites are treated? Oh, here you know, yeah? Snakes bites. And how is her day? The last question, here you can give any information you remember and you understood the best. Yeah, so for example, you can write that she gets up very early, okay? What time? Remember, 5:30. Okay, what else? She goes to bed late. Yeah, it's also you can write. She works in the morning and afternoon and studies for exams in the evening. Yeah, so this is the full good answer. Okay, good job. So now, after we've done this exercise, if you still have some questions, you can go here to transcript or transcript with answers, better transcript. And you can listen to these audios again and read the text. This is a very good exercise that will help you to connect what you hear and what you read, because you read much better, but listening is more difficult. Okay, so this is the transcript. And to finish, there is a dictation task, working with animals dictation. What you need to do is try not to look at the answers, yeah? Listen to this audio and write what you hear. And then check yourself with the correct answers. Okay? I hope you will enjoy this lesson and find it helpful. Bye bye.